Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, and that is from the class 9 textbooks mathematics, and the chapter is 13.1. We have already discussed about the surface area and volume. So today we are going to solve a problem from the textbooks of class 9, and the problem is the length, breadth and the height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and ceiling at the rate of 7.50 rupees per meter square. So here is a question from the surface area and volume, but the important thing is that we need to find out what is the main fact of this question, and the fact of this question is that we need not calculate the whole surface area of a room, because we have to calculate the rupees, the cost of whitewashing. We need to calculate the cost of whitewashing, not for the whole room but only for the walls of the room, and ceiling only. That means, let's assume that this is a room. We need to calculate the 4 walls. We know that one room will have 4 walls, that is this one, and this one, and the ceiling. We can presume that this is a ceiling. So we need to find out the area of 4 walls as well as the ceiling. If you calculate the area of this room, which to be whitewashed at the rate of 7.5 per meter square, then you can easily calculate the total cost. So this is very important, not only for the student of class 9. Actually, the general people, common people also should know how to calculate the cost of a painting of your house, painting of your room at the rate of square meter, at the rate of square room. We used to paint our room. We used to paint our home. So therefore we need to know how to calculate the cost of painting at the meter square or centimeter square, whatever. But this is not only for the class 9, it will be helpful for the common people too. So therefore I am going to start this problem to solve. So already I have discussed that we need to calculate the 4 walls, the area of 4 walls. Let's see, if this is a room, then this wall and this wall are the same, equal. This wall and this wall is same, and opposite to it, this wall is generally very similar to this wall. So we need to find out the first and foremost the area of these 4 walls. Let's see, this wall and this wall, the area of the these two walls will be the same. That means here, if you see, this wall has the length. What is there? This wall has the length and the height. So 4 walls means we can calculate by using one formula. That is the surface area of 4 walls. The general common formula is that 2 whole into L plus B whole into H. This is the common formula. We can calculate the surface area of the 4 walls by using this formula. And then again, what should we do? That another part is remaining, that is ceiling. We need another area, that is ceiling. And if we assume that this is a ceiling, then we will find that here the length and breadth is there. The length and the floor and the ceiling. The floor and the ceiling is generally in structure similar. That's why the area of the ceiling will be similar to the area of the floor. That means length and breadth will be there. So therefore, area of the ceiling will be LB. Therefore, we need to calculate the area of 4 walls as well as the ceiling. That means, if we calculate the surface area, we if we calculate the surface area of the four walls and another plus the area of ceiling. Area of ceiling. This will be the total area which to be colored or whitewashed. And now we are going to calculate the value. So now the area for what? For whitewashing will be the area of the four walls. That means the formula 2 into whole L plus B whole into H. Another the area of ceiling. Area of ceiling. Now putting the value. So here we have length. Length is given, dimension is already given. Length is 5 meter. Length is 5 meter. Breadth is 4 meter. Breadth is 4 meter, and height is 3 meter. So the surface area of the four walls, again I am writing it plus ceiling. Area of the ceiling. Area of the ceiling will be the same as the area of the ceiling of the area of the floor. That means L into B. Now put the value. 2L. L means 5. Therefore 5 plus B, that means 4, and H means 3. Plus L into B. L into B means L means 5 and B means 4. We are calculating the surface area. That means the unit will be meter square. The unit will be meter square because the value given in the question is in meter. That is 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter. So let's proceed. Now 2 into 5 plus 4, that is 9. 5 plus 4, that is 9, and into 3 plus 5 into 4, that is 20. 5 4s are 20, and the unit will be again the meter square. Now calculating this one, 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18 into 3 plus 20, again meter square. 18 3s are 8 3s are 24, and 3 1s are 10, and remaining 2, that is 5, 54 plus 20, that means 5 plus 2 7, that is 74 meters. So exactly we have calculated the area. Now see the area of the walls of the room and the ceiling, and that is what? 74 meters. That means we need to whitewash this kind of area. This much of area we need to whitewash. So we will calculate the cost of whitewashing of the area 74 meters square. So let's start. So we have 74 meters square total area which to be whitewashed, and now the rate. Let's see the rate. What is the rate? 7.50. That means 7.50 rupees per meter square. That means the cost of whitewashing. That means 1 meter square generally cost how many rupees? 7.50 rupees. 7.50 is the cost. That means we have already 74 meters square. So 74 meters square, 74 meters square will be cost 7.50 into the area, total area, that is 74. So here will be, we are calculating the money, we are calculating the amount which to be spent on the whitewashing. That means if we multiply it, we'll get what 75 and 74. Let's multiply it. 5 4 is 20 and 7 4 is 28, 28, 29, 30. That means this one will be 30. Again 7 5 is 35, that means 5. The remaining is 3 and 7 7 is 49, 49, 50, 51, 52. 52. So total 0 5 5 5. You will get 555 0. Another 0 was there, 7.50. That means another 0 will be here. Now the decimal part. We have decimal after two numbers, that is 0 and 5. Will give the decimal after two number from the right side, and after decimal we will get the only 0. That means the amount will be 555 rupees 555. So this is the answer, and this is very easy question. And I have already told that this question is not only important for the class 9 student of class 9. The common people can even use these calculations for the cost of the painting of their house, cost of the painting of their room, so that nobody can cheat you. And that's why this calculation or these problems are very important for day-to-day life also. So this is the answer. We get the rupees 555, that is 555 rupees we have to spend on the white washing of the four walls of the room and the ceiling. The final answer is this. So this kind of video will be uploaded in my channel, and if you want to connect it with me, then please subscribe my channel and like, share. It will be very inspirable for me. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.